It's mid-October, and in Essex, Jeremy Kiddie is already halfway through drilling winter wheat. We've already seen the Caterpillar D4E and Väderstad Concorde drill in part 1, preparing a seedbed for sugar beet. But this time it's actually drilling. A set of Rollex 620 crosskill rolls are towed behind to consolidate the seedbed. The headlands were drilled first, and Jeremy is now filling in the rest of the field. The Väderstad Concorde was developed alongside the more well-known rapid disc drill and was launched in the very early 1990s. Production ended later in the decade. Based on the NZ cultivator, it consists of 2 rows of levelling paddles, 4 rows of spring tine coulters, and a following harrow.